Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Corris grey. This car has previously had two owners and is next due for a service in October 2021. You have 22-inch diamond toned finish alloys, along with a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the back for things such as golf clubs and pushchairs. Going towards the front, you have keyless entry, so I can tap here to lock the car and pull the handle to unlock the car as long as the keys are nearby. Autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony and cirrus leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. A cooler compartment, which is ideal if you go on long journeys and want to keep your refreshments cold. You also have several different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving, including grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or you can push it back down for auto. Heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage. It's a real luxury to have and ensures every journey is relaxing. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate, which means you can set the temperature before you even get in the car. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, so you have cruise control and a speed limiter, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must in the winter. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system. This car's done 31,627 miles, and stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.